A kit for the overthinker who wants peace. If your brain never seems to slow down and every decision feels heavier than it should, this video is for you. Wanting to start an online business or move forward in life becomes incredibly hard when your thoughts won't give you a break. In this video, we talk about why overthinking creates constant mental noise and drains your confidence. When every choice turns into a debate in your head, even small decisions feel exhausting. That doesn't mean you're weak or incapable. It means your mind is stuck in a loop. It was never taught how to exit. This message is especially helpful for online business beginners who struggle to trust themselves, take action, or make decisions without spiraling into doubt. You'll hear why mental peace isn't about silencing your thoughts completely, but about learning how to work with them in a calmer, more supportive way. You don't have to live in constant second guessing. With the right tools, decisions can feel lighter and progress can feel possible again. The Stop Overthinking Digital Kit is a practical digital product created for overthinkers who want peace and forward movement. It includes simple tools, scripts, and exercises to calm mental loops, speed up decision making, and rebuild self-trust. It's especially helpful if you're using resale rights digital kits and need a clearer, calmer mindset to follow through.